So now we're going to be talking about the role of PLM in modern manufacturing. We've got a collective 50 years of experience in the conversation. My name is John Phipps from STAEDEAN. I'm joined by Eric van Hofhagen, my colleague, and Mike Lamb from Encore. And what we want to talk about now are what are manufacturing companies missing out on if they don't have a full PLM system interfaced in with their ERP. So, Mike, what should organizations be considering?
A lot of organizations have PLM-like needs, but they just don't know it yet. So really kind of the key signs of when you should probably have a PLM is when your company is growing and you still have the CAD system and you're doing a lot of things manually. That can add a lot of time and overhead. And then you need to do things quicker for your customers and sales out there, and then keeping up with the market and maintaining product versions and product changes can be quite challenging if you don't have a PLM system. So those are some definitely key things companies need to look out for.
Well, and it sounds like there's some cost considerations in that. So, Eric, maybe you can weigh in on that side of the equation.
Yes, indeed, John. On cost considerations, I immediately think of the different savings for a company. For instance, on product recalls, we probably all have seen it in the news. If we can reduce or eliminate that for a company because of accurate information, those are big savings. And that is in line with the automation of your integration. Like Mike mentioned, if you can reduce manual entry needs, you can get better quality in your ERP system. And manual entry is also you needing staff. But if you can reduce that or free up the staff for other tasks, you can increase the productivity.
I mean, another big challenge is sort of siloed companies. So, eliminating silos and increasing collaboration between those systems. Mike, weigh in a little bit on
Yeah,
that.
that's becoming more and more of a huge thing for organizations to consider here. With eliminating silos and increasing your collaboration here, there's really great opportunity for improving your efficiency and communication between the departments, and also the opportunity for streamlining your processes and increasing automation. So being able to progress a lot faster and then reducing delays, go to market at an increased rapid pace than before. And the other thing is reducing errors. That, obviously that leads to cost savings out there if you get it right the first time. And then operational processes there, reducing errors in the processes across the organization.
Oh, yeah, and reducing errors in the processes is always critical. Maybe you can talk a little bit about what we've seen from an automated processes standpoint.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, now in line with an automated process, of course, having pretty quickly the latest and accurate information in time in the system. Like Mike mentioned, reducing errors or rework an operation, can of course be a benefit there because you can really act quickly on changes and revision updates. And all over, of course, it saves you time. And with that, also what you can do if you save time, you have more time, so you can open, for instance, the possibility to get and handle increased workloads and maybe even think about more complex projects.
So if you want to learn more, you can reach out to the Encore team and learn all about it. Thanks.